Hello, I'm Manuel Lemos, the creator and the developer of the PHP Classes site. Today it is a very important date because the PHP Classes site completes 15 years of existence. Therefore, I would like to make a special announcement. For the last 5 months, I have been working on making significant improvements to the usability of the site package pages. I have applied a process called design thinking to make the site work exactly the way the users want it to work, to be useful and pleasant to use. Design thinking is a process that allows you to create products and services that work perfectly for the users. It departs from the user's needs and feedback in order to design solutions to their problems. It works very well because it involves the users in a collaborative process to define how their problems can be solved. I have interviewed several users to learn what are the current site problems. Then I created prototypes to show to the users how I intended to solve the problems that they have told me before. Only after they were pleased with the prototypes, I have proceeded to build the final design that I am launching today. I have written an article to let you know more about how the design thinking process works in practice. For now, better than telling is to show how design thinking was used to improve the site package pages and even provide new features that address previously untapped needs. Let's take a look. Alright, if you remember how the site pages were before, as you may see, it changed a lot. Previously, there was a long page with lots of information, not very well organized. Now, the first thing that you may notice is that the information is all grouped in several tabs that are not very long. This addresses the desire of the users that do not want to scroll the page too much to find what they want to see. This is especially important for users with tablets and touch devices in general that are not comfortable with rubbing their fingers to scroll all the way to the page bottom. The tabs also group information in a more logical way, thus helping the users to go directly to the tabs that contain information they want to see. The first tab is the most important. It contains information that the users said they wanted to see first to decide if a package is interesting for them, so they do not lose more time in case it isn't. It contains the last time the package was updated, so they can see if it is being maintained by the author until recently. It shows the other user ratings average, the download counts, and rankings for the users to see how much the package is appreciated by others. Users that have already tried a package may rate it by clicking on these up and down arrows. And below appears the detailed package description for the users that decided that they wanted to know more about what the package does. One of the most interesting new features of this design is the Users tab. It shows one specific file of the package to let the user see how the package works in practice. This helps them to realize how simple or complicated is the users of the package. Another new feature is the Demos tab. It can show one or more external pages on which you can see the package in action. This is very useful to let the users evaluate and see the package running without having to download and install it in their computers. The Screenshots is another useful tab. It lets the authors show screen captures, demo videos, or even slide presentations that demonstrate the package features. The View Files tab lets the users actually browse the contents of the package files. They can browse the files very quickly without leaving the page. For package files that are in the Markdown format, the site can now render them as HTML to present them in a more pleasant way. When the user has decided that the package is interesting enough, he can just move to the Download tab. There he can choose to download the package in zip or TAR/GZ formats. Below, there may be a list of other packages that the current package needs with direct links to download them too if necessary. Advanced users that prefer to install packages using the Composer tool just need to click on the respective button so they are presented with a sample Composer JSON definition for them to include in their projects. The Composer will be able to download and install the package and any dependencies automatically from the PHP classes site own Composer repository. If you are still not certain about whether a package is worth using, you may want to check the Reputation tab. It contains all the details about how others appreciate this package or not. It shows the number of packages that reuse this package, how many distinct users have downloaded this package, as well how many times this package has been found lately on Google by the users. Below you may see detailed information of how users have rated this package in many different aspects. When available, the comments that the users have posted about this package are displayed too. Links to the package support forum, the package own blog on PHP classes and other related links are displayed on the last tabs. As a side comment, I would like to call your attention that this new design tried to follow as much as possible the user-centered design approach. This means that the page should be self-explanatory, so the users will not be required to have prior training to learn how to use its features. For instance, most buttons have tooltip information about their function. For features that may not be very obvious, the page uses animated visual effects to hint the users on how to use it more efficiently. For instance, if you click on the ratings link, the page uses animation effects to highlight the buttons you can use to go straight to where the information you want to see is located in the Reputation tab. The same goes for the users link. Click on it, it highlights the Links tab and the section that lists other packages that reuse this package. Well, that's it. The users that collaborated in the design thinking process were very pleased with the results. I hope you will be pleased too. The design thinking process never ends because there will be always more things to be improved. Therefore, you can expect more development soon that not only improve the current site, but also provide new features that the users want and no other site is providing. For now, I hope you appreciate what has been done so far. Enjoy!